Hi guys, welcome to my channel. A natural anti-wrinkle mask made with eggs and coffee. General benefits of this mask. Nourishes and moisturizes the skin, reduces the depth of wrinkles, increases skin elasticity, provides a natural, brightening and smoothing effect, gives the face a clear and healthy complexion. To prepare this homemade natural anti-wrinkle mask, we will need 1 banana. Are bananas good for wrinkles? Yes, bananas have anti-wrinkle benefits, and it has a scientific basis. Below, we explain the main beneficial properties of bananas in reducing wrinkles. Bananas' anti-wrinkle benefits. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Bananas are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and E. These substances neutralize free radicals, which slows down the aging process of the skin. Antioxidants prevent wrinkles by stimulating cell renewal. 2. Vitamin A accelerates cell regeneration. Vitamin A, the natural form of retinol, fights against dryness and loss of elasticity in the skin, helps to produce new cells, which ensures smooth and youthful skin. 3. Potassium and moisturizing properties. The potassium in bananas deeply moisturizes the skin. Moisturized skin means smooth and elastic skin, which means less visible wrinkles. 4. Increases skin elasticity. Bananas stimulate the production of collagen in the skin, not directly, but with the help of the substances in its composition. This strengthens the skin and slows down the appearance of wrinkles. Egg. Are eggs good for wrinkles? Does it get rid of wrinkles? Yes, eggs, especially egg whites, have a beneficial effect on wrinkles, but they do not completely eliminate wrinkles, but rather temporarily smooth them out and tighten the face, thereby ensuring a younger and smoother appearance of the skin. We will explain in detail below. Anti-wrinkle benefits of eggs. 1. Egg whites and natural lifting effect. Egg whites dry quickly when applied to the skin, which creates a tightening effect on the skin. As a result, small wrinkles are temporarily smoothed out, and the face looks tight and refreshed. 2. Protein is a substance that strengthens skin tissues. Egg whites contain a high amount of albumin, protein. Proteins help renew skin cells and stimulate collagen production. This helps maintain skin elasticity in the long term. 3. Narrows pores. Smooths the face. Large pores on the face make wrinkles appear more pronounced. Egg whites shrink pores and increase facial smoothness, which makes wrinkles less noticeable. Add a tablespoon of coffee to our mask and mix well. Coffee activates blood circulation with the help of caffeine. Blood circulation in the skin improves, which gives the face a healthy color. Cleanses dead cells. The fine grains of coffee act as appealing, has anti-inflammatory properties, increases skin tone, and reduces the appearance of fatigue. Apply this mask to cleansed skin. You can apply this mask to any part of your skin. You can also apply this mask to your face, neck, and hands. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Apply the mask to your skin and leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse.